Well, from this to this in literally 2 days. Welcome to Minnesota. Well, hello, little blues. I'm keeping my voice down. It's snowing here in Minnesota. First snowstorm, Halloween. I'm not surprised. I've lived here all my life. The animals are kind of hiding out in the barn. I'm going to kind of sneak in there and see who's cuddling with who. Let's go. Looks like Rain's figured it out. Melvin's out here. Mr. Baby. All right. Let's see what's going on in the barn. We got Pebbles and Wilma. I think they were the only ones asleep. Hey, Miss Theta. Of course, these babies, they are talking all the time. Hey, guys. Hello, Mr. Blaze. Mr. Loki, are you guys ready for supper? Probably. We got chickens hanging out here. Well, hello, Mr. Bo. How are you doing, buddy? Ernie, you behaving yourself, Ernie? And Eddie, Snoopy, everyone's staying dry. All right, everyone's just saying, time for supper. So let's get these guys some supper. We got Honey and Waddles. This brother and sister, they're so cute, aren't you guys? Oh, I didn't mean to ignore you, Betty. You are too. Look at that smile. Well, Melvin loves his animal cookies. Don't you, Melvin? Here you go, buddy. There you go. He didn't really know what treats were when we first got him. And now he kind of figured it out. Didn't you, buddy? So every once in a while, he gets a few animal crackers. Actually, all the animals love these. And Melvin's learned that they're good. Right, buddy? All right, there you go. He is ready for winter. He was out in that snow. He doesn't care. It's like, bring it on, right, buddy? All done. Well, we've got hay feeding stations in the barn for days like today, whether it's super rainy or this snowstorm. The goats, I mean, Melvin would eat the hay outside, but these poor goats would think they're dying or something. They hate the rain, hate moisture. So we'll fill some bags up here and get these guys some hay, as long as Melvin isn't too good of a helper here and rips my bale apart. Right, helper? And these hay nets are so nice. They really keep the waste down. Everybody gets a chance. I've got 4 stations in the barn, so nobody can be too much of a hay hog, not even Melvin. Let's go check on the big horses now that everybody's in their stalls and getting fed. This is just such a crazy thick snow, just coating everything. Luckily, it's not going to stick around. It's already kind of falling off the trailers, and it's supposed to be, it'll get warm again, obviously, but I guess this is just a friendly reminder of what's coming. Hey, Blue Bear. Hey, Kavala. We got Brega hiding back there. We got one smart horse here, huh? One in the barn. This is Kavala. Hey baby, how you doing? Huh? Yeah. She got a little wet here. Let's get your blanket on. Let's get your blanket on, huh? Blueberry. Looks like you're soaked too. Hello, Miss Brega. What are you doing over here, huh? You've already got your blanket on. All right, we got Kavala all ready to go here with the blanket. Let's go check on the littles. Let's see how the littles are doing here, if they're getting along. We just got them out of their stalls. Everybody's having some hay now. Even little Betty down there, our coonies, they're like the best pigs. Pebbles, what do you think? Hey, Pebs. Yeah. We got Blaze. We got Mr. Waddles, Honey, Loki, Miss Rain. Goats, 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 and more goats. Don't ask me how many goats my wife would have. It would be a lot, right, Melvin? We got some sheep hiding back here behind Melvin. Theta and Thistle. And of course, Bluebell. Well, thanks for tuning in, everyone. We love sharing our animals. Thanks for watching our videos. I hope you all have a great day.